Hello, Matt here with Linux Academy, and in today's episode of Google Cloud News, we're going to explore what makes some DevOps teams more successful than others. Also, hack-proof security keys are now available. Let's take a closer look in this episode of Google Cloud Weekly. Now, DevOps is by far one of the fastest growing and most exciting technology fields today. But have you ever wondered what makes the difference between a good and a great DevOps team? A recent survey of almost 1,900 DevOps professionals was collected for an in-depth report that revealed what makes some DevOps teams truly outstanding. Some of the highlighted takeaways are as follows. First, since DevOps is a rapidly evolving field, new capabilities such as continuous testing and monitoring tools make a really big difference. Second, how you measure results has a huge impact. Teams that use well-tuned availability measurements had substantially better success keeping their applications available. Third, focusing on business outcomes over outputs is key to good performance. Now, this is measured by a metric known as Software Delivery and Operational Performance, or SDO for short. Fourth, don't be too cautious. Quick and small failures lead to rapid improvements and quick recovery times. By contrast, deploying code less frequently out of an abundance of caution led to bigger failures with longer recovery times. And finally, how you use the cloud is much more important than just simply using the cloud. Use of cloud-native tools such as automatic scaling, infrastructure as code, and containers leads to greater success for your DevOps teams. Now, there's a lot more to this report than we can talk about here. However, if you are into DevOps, we highly recommend reading the full report, which we will link to in the video description. Let's now move on to account security. Now, phishing attacks are by far one of the biggest threats to account security today. To mitigate this threat, two-factor authentication has been around for quite a while, but hackers are always finding new ways to bypass these protections. To help with this ever-increasing arms race of sorts, Google has announced that their Titan security keys are now available for anyone to purchase. So, what's the big deal with this? As you may know, two-factor authentication requires both a password and something in your possession in order to access your account. However, common methods such as SMS codes to your mobile device have been shown to be unreliable. By contrast, since Google first started developing their own security key system internally starting in 2012, there have been 0 known account takeovers for accounts that require the additional keys. You really can't have better success rate than 0, so that's pretty impressive. If you and your organization need strong two-factor security, and who doesn't, the Google-developed key sets are available now, which include both a USB and Bluetooth key. Since the keys operate in the open FIDO ecosystem, they can be used with a wide variety of vendors. That's going to wrap up this edition of Google Cloud Weekly. Be sure to subscribe to the Linux Academy YouTube channel to keep up with the latest in Google Cloud news, and also join us on Thursdays for a live stream of Google Cloud topics of your choosing. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.